name is Abraham Safo. I'm from Accra, Ghana, and I'm schooling here in BYU, Idaho. My major in BYU, Idaho is biology. And I plan to head towards the medical school right after my 4-year education in BYU, Idaho. And the reason why I'm gonna become a medical doctor is life is what everyone will look out for before he or she thinks of any other thing, because life is very important. And what doctors, as you all know, what doctors do, as you all know, is to save lives. And I have purpose in my heart to save lives, because I believe people have something in them that they can do to help the whole world. My favorite thing to do back home, I don't know, but I do play drums. Yeah, I play drum sets, and I'm way good in playing drums. Trust me, I'm very good in playing drums. I also like playing the piano, but I'm into soccer too, and I do play soccer a lot. So what I do is on Saturdays, mostly when I'm free doing nothing. On Saturdays, I first head to my band group and try to, do some rehearsals. We play lots of music, jazz, reggae, rock, whatever you can think of. And maybe come back home, take a shower, go play some football with my friends. I have lots of fun, but these are the main things I do on Saturdays. Where do I see myself in 5 years? Okay, I'll probably be in the medical school. I don't know which I'm gonna attend yet, but I'll be in a medical school, furthering my education and moving towards where I know I want to get to. And that is being a doctor. And I don't know. Right after my 7-year education in the medical school, I'll probably specialize into heart to become a heart surgeon.